Instagram now lets you replace the old post audio. Now, this is a brilliant Instagram update, which I'm really pleased about because I don't know if anyone remembers, but a couple of years ago, Meta fell out with, I think it was Universal or maybe, yeah, I think it was Universal, one of the big music labels. And actually, the music label removed all of its music off of Meta. So that meant like a lot of popular tracks like Harry Styles suddenly wasn't available in your audio, and all of those videos lost their audio track. So Instagram is now offering you a very useful update where you can now replace the audio on your post or carousels. And so if you change your mind about a music track, or if suddenly that music track isn't available anymore, you can actually swap it in for something else. So you can see that. I thought I'd muted this video, but no. So you essentially just tap on the post you'd like to change the audio on, tap the line menu button in the top right corner of the post, scroll to edit, and then swap the audio. So quite a small but a very useful update. This is also useful if you realize that you've used an audio track that isn't then available in an ad, but you want to boost the post or you want to use that post as an ad. So this is going to be really useful, particularly with partnership posts where you are promoting a piece of content that a content creator has published. If they've used an audio track that isn't available for commercial purposes, you could ask them to swap out that audio for something else that is commercially available, and then you're able to run that as an ad. So I think this is going to be a game changer.